In this video, we are going to learn chapter 2, relation and function. First of all, I am giving you introduction regarding relation. Relation is a commonly used word in our daily life. Word relation act as a bridge. As bridge works to link two banks of river, and function is a special technique to show these relation. We will study this function and its various types in this chapter. I am using some example like Mohan has more weight than Sham. Here I am telling you relation between two persons. New Delhi is the capital of India. Relation between two places. 5 is divisor of 15. Relation between two numbers. A is subset of B. Relation between two sets. Now one more thing is that open sentence. A mathematical statement that can be either true or false depending what values or information are used. Open sentences with one variable x is denoted as p of x, and with two variable x, y is denoted as p of x, y, and with three variables x, y, z is denoted as p of x, y, and z.